Okay, so settling into this moment of setting intentions under this powerful new moon at the equinox as we launch into the new astrological year. So much Aries energy supporting us and launching us forward. Let's begin by using this intention statement, and you can work with this and engage and include your own intention statement. But we're going to begin here, bringing your hand to your heart and breathing deeply in through the nose and out through the nose, wiggling your tail a little bit and wiggling your toes, allowing yourself to feel the connection that you feel with the earth, your connection to ground, yourself as an earth being. Very gently repeat this phrase. My intention is to fully show up for my dream. Feel how that feels in your body. My intention is to fully show up for my dream. And a third time, my intention is to fully show up for my dream. And as we consider our vision board building for the year, we want to open to the magic of that vision board and what the guidance has available for us. So starting with the heart, keeping that hand at the heart, holding one or both hands at the heart, close your eyes and bring your inner gaze down toward the earth. Slowly inhale and exhale, holding the meaning of whatever area of life you are focused on, holding that in your heart. And consider how it is that you want to feel about this area of your life that is being more fully impacted by these powerful celestial energies, the making your dreams real and the stepping into your authentic self energies of this year. Ask yourself, how do I want to feel about this area of my life? Imagine extending a long thread of light that gently but firmly tethers your heart to the heart of the earth. With each inhalation, fully receive the earth's silver light into your heart. With each exhalation, allow that energy to travel throughout your body, expanding into every cell. Take your time to feel how this feels for you, being fully present to those energies that you are most inspired by for this year. You may want to consider one or more keywords that really light you up, that spark your passion for how it is that you're going to walk through this year. And from this place of open-heartedness, consider how you're going to think about these areas of your life, how you're going to receive knowledge and awareness around these key sensations that you've chosen for yourself. And ask yourself, what do I want to think about this life area for me this year? Take both hands and softly place them on the top of your head. Be gentle here. With eyes closed, bringing your inner gaze toward the earth, slowly inhale and exhale. Allow the natural energy coming from your hands to flow down into your head. Gently invite what you want to think about this life area into your mind's eye and focus on it as you inhale fully, and then let it go with your exhalation. Do that again. Inhale fully what it is that you want to think about this area of your life, or bringing that keyword to mind. Inhale all the way up, and then exhale and let it go. Become empty again. And then a third time, inhaling, drawing that vision up into your mind, receiving it fully. And then exhale, let it go. Feel how the vision can begin to become fully alive, even as you release it. And then consider where you take action this year, where the dream becomes reality, where you are making things material. And consider, what experiences do you want to have in manifesting in your life area this year? Hold one hand on the belly or the second chakra and place the other hand on the sacrum or the lower back. Again, eyes closed, bring your inner gaze down toward the earth. Slowly inhale and exhale, focusing on an uplifting experience you want to have in this life area. Imagine extending a long thread of light that gently but firmly tethers your tailbone to the center or heart of the earth. With each inhalation, draw the earth's life force up into your belly. With each exhalation, share that energy with your legs, torso, arms, extending into your hands and feet. With every breath, feel this earth connection more profoundly. And again, inhale into the belly. Exhale, share that energy with the rest of your body. And a third time, inhale. All the sensations, all the experiences that you want to have as you manifest in these areas, these key areas of your life this year. And finally, consider where creative imagination sparks for you. Ask yourself, how do I want to expand into this life area this year? Do I want to engage my intuition more deeply? How do I want to get creative? Hold one hand on the forehead or the third eye, and place the other hand on the back of the head. Again, with eyes closed, bring your inner gaze toward the earth and slowly inhale and exhale, allowing the natural energy between your hands to light up the space inside your skull. It's that space directly behind the place between your eyebrows or the sixth chakra. Feel the expansion and stay here for as long as feels good to you. Continue to inhale into that space behind the third eye. Exhale, soften, and open to guidance, creativity, inspiration. A third time, inhale and exhale completely. Allowing the mind to be a blank canvas, the heart to be gentle and open, the body to be receptive of new experiences, and the spirit to guide you. When you're ready, open your eyes and make any notes on your manifest wheel or just in your journal of what it is that came to you that is most inspiring, what it is that you believe, what it is that you feel that you want to manifest this year, how it is that you want to walk out your year. And continue to fill in your vision board with images, words, designs, colors that inspire.